Inside the UK's highest court, the decision was a definitive one. There would be no public inquiry into the Batang Kali killings, but Britain was responsible because the events happened under its jurisdiction.
This court also holds, by a majority of 4-1, that the appellant's appeal against the refusal to order a public inquiry should be dismissed.
In 1948, British forces were fighting a communist uprising in what was then colonial Malaya. In an operation close to Batang Kali, they shot dead 24 unarmed civilians, alleging they were bandits who were trying to escape. Initially, the killings were seen as a victory for the military, but another narrative of events began to emerge, one of horror and brutality. This was later backed up by testimonies of some of the soldiers involved, who admitted the people had been killed in cold blood. One of the victims' daughters spoke to us earlier this year.
I definitely have a responsibility not only to my father but also to the others who died horribly. None of them had been given any food before they were killed. Their bodies were left in the hot sun for 7 days. It was horrible. They were lying down in a row like planks. Their bodies were all bloated.
There were no family members inside the court to hear the judgment, but their lawyer told me some aspects of it were welcome.
A high point is Lord Kerr's comments that on the overwhelming preponderance of evidence, 24 innocent men were mercilessly murdered by British troops in Batang Kali. That's a very clear finding.
The families have taken this case legally as far as they can in the UK. Any further challenges could be made in Europe, but that could take years to complete. The families of those killed plan to fight on. They want to build a garden in memory of those lost. More than anything, though, they want an apology. Emma Hayward, Al Jazeera in London.